Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rebecca and today we are going to be creating this one sleeve leotard. It's been trending a whole lot on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, just about anywhere you could see things on social media. All of the social media sites, but I figured we'd come on here today and actually create it. Today's focus will be mainly creating the drape for the leotard. So if you don't have a just form, this might be quite hard for you to put together, but I'm pretty sure there are ways. Where there is a will, there's a way. But besides that, we're just going to be focusing on the drape. Next week when we come back, we'll create the actual pattern for it and sew it up, and that will pretty much wrap it up for the leotard. If you have any questions, drop it down below. Like, share, and subscribe so that you can stay tuned to what's coming up and what's happening on my channel. Besides that, enjoy the video. You can go up to the quality on YouTube in order for you to adjust the speed. I decided to make it go fast just so that you guys wouldn't get bored in the process, because draping takes time. But enjoy for now. Now you are all set with the placement of the drape and you have the form on where you want it. You have to make sure that you mark all of your placements. So that's the apex, the center front, center back, waistline, side seam, the marking curvature of where those lines are going to be. So like your neckline, your underarm. I mean, it's better to have too much markings than not have enough. This material is stretchy, so once you take it off of the dress form, it's going to be super hard for you to put it back if you were to miss something. So the cross mark for the shoulder line, even though it's not even needed, because the fabric is literally draping across the shoulder onto the sleeve, I went ahead and I marked it anyway, just so that I have that as a reference point. Make sure that you mark everything before you take it off the dress form. Double check that you have everything. This will help you so much in the end. Sometimes with the stretchy material, the markings can be skewed. So by having extra markings, like even the side back, side front, by having those extra markings, you can dictate which way the grain line is going and what's correct and what's incorrect. For the armhole opening, I went ahead and I marked it all the way down to where the side seam is, only because I made it as a reference point so that when I am creating the curvature for the armhole, for the sleeve cap, I can go ahead and follow that curvature and have my actual sleeve. Once you have it, you're ready to take it off of the dress form, and then from there we will transfer all of those markings onto paper. That is it for today. Definitely take your time, double check before you take that drape off of the dress form, just so that you make sure all of your markings are there. But if you have not subscribed to the channel, definitely do so. Write your comments down below, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.